So, good morning, friends. In last lecture, we have seen the three cases of fixed plate. So, next is the impact of jet on moving plates. So, today I am Professor Hade, presently working in MEP Rajarshi Shaumanas Polytechnic Nasik, completed the three cases, and after that we can start the impact of jet on moving plate. So, let's start the fourth case. So let the case is force exerted by jet on moving plates. Wait, plate is moving the direction on the plate is moving in the direction of jet. So for board purpose, it is very important questions for diploma student. So there is a question: draw neat sketch of impact of jet on moving vertical flat plate, and write formula. Determine the work done. So it is a moving plate. So in this case, work done and efficiency is already there. So let's start. So firstly draw the diagram. There is a moving plates. So with nozzle there is area A, velocity V. This plate is moving with velocity, jet is striking on the velocity V, U is blade is moving with velocity U. So in this way we can, so firstly draw the diagram. झालं की मला सांगा डायग्राम. So let's see the figure shows fluid striking on the vertical moving plate with uniform velocity in the direction of jet. So V is the velocity of jet, A is the cross section area of jet, U is the velocity of flat blade. So the relative velocity of an object is showing condition A and B. So initial and final. So the relative velocity of jet when striking on the plate is V minus U. So after that, the mass flow rate of water striking on the plate is rho AV minus U. So the force exerted by a jet normal to the plate Fx is equal to m into initial velocity minus final velocity. So rho AV minus U V minus U, that is a rho AV minus U bracket square. In fixed plate and moving plate there is a difference, rho AV minus U bracket square. So rho AV square in terms of V minus U replaced by V minus U. There is a short difference between fixed and moving plate. For exam purpose, for study purpose, it is very easy. So write down. So next is a how to is if there is a moving plate, there is a work done and efficiencies happen. So firstly is work done. In this case, work done by the jet on the plate is moving plate. So the rate of work done is equal to force into displacement. That is a force Fa into distance moved by the jet. So that is a rho Av minus u square into u. So it is in watt. So write down the work done. So next is efficiency. So efficiency is the ratio of output to the input. So that is output is a work done and input is a kinetic energy of the jet. So that is a formula. Efficiency is defined as the ratio of work done to the kinetic energy supplied. So whenever kinetic energy is supplied, due to that rotary motion is given to the turbine. So that is a ratio of output to the input is work done to the kinetic energy supplied. So let us see the kinetic energy. Rho half is equal to m dot v square. So that is a rho a v into v square. So that is a rho a half into rho a v cube. So kinetic energy is a work done upon kinetic energy. So that is a work done is a rho a v minus u square, and half is a kinetic energy is a rho a v cube upon 2. So in this way there is a velocity of the, write down the velocity of j. So next is a derivation is झालं का नाही झालं असेल मला सांगा. Next derivation is maximum efficiency. So this efficiency equal to 0. So put in equation. So differentiate with the equation with u. So with the help of 2 v cube v square u. So how to 2 upon v cube v square minus 2 v into 2u. So since u upon v square is a negligible, v cube is negligible. So v square minus 4 vu plus 3u square is equal to 0. So v square minus 3vu minus vu plus 3u square is equal to 0. So v minus 3u is equal to 0. So v is equal to u or v is equal to 3u. So putting this equation in equation 4.5, so v is equal to 3u. So v upon v cube into v minus 2v dot v by 3 square plus v by 3 square. So 2 upon v cube by 3 minus 2v cube upon 9 plus v cube upon 27. So maximum efficiency is 8 by 27. So this is a required answer. So write down maximum efficiency is. So let's see the problem. So in this case, see the problem. Winter Tera, the nozzle of 50 mm diameter deliver the stream of water 20 meter per second. The plate is move away from 5 meter per second. Find first force on the plate, work done, and efficiency of the jet. So D is equal to 50, that is 0.05 meter. V is a 20 meter per second. U is a 5 meter per second. So m dot is equal to rho A V minus U. So with the help of that, calculate mass flow rate. Then firstly calculate the force. So force is rho A V minus U cube. So where V is a initial velocity 20 meter per second, V is a U is a 5 meter per second. So with the help of that, the force is 441.78. And when your force calculate, the work done is very simple. Work done is equal to force into displacement, that is U, F into U. So with the help of that, force into U. So F dot 44178 point into 5. So 2208.90 Newton meter per second. So similarly, efficiency of jet is kinetic energy to the work done supplied. So is equal to W upon half mv square. So W is equal to half rho V cube. So with the help of that, we can calculate the efficiency 2 into 2208.9 divided by rho A V cube. So that is a 28.13 is the efficiency of turbine. So write down the problem solutions. लिहून झालं की मला सांगा. So next example is a jet of water 10 centimeter diameter strike on a fixed plate, flat plate with velocity 80 meter per second. The plate is moving with velocity 9 meter per second in the direction of jet away from jet. Find the efficiency. Similarly, in that plate diameter is 10 centimeters. With the help of that, find the area pi by 4 d square. Firstly, 10 centimeter converted into 10 mm. So V is 80 meter per second, U is 9 meter per second. So rho A V. So with the help of that, force is equal to m dot V minus U 70.686, 80 minus 9. So that is 636.174. So W is equal to Fx into U 636.174 into 9. So there is some discussion about work done. So with the help of that, efficiency is kinetic energy to the work done to the kinetic energy. So with the help of that, efficiency is 50%, rho A V square. So write down this formula. Write down this for problem. So this is a example of impact of jet on moving fixed plate. So in this way completed the case of fixed moving plates, moving flat moving plates. Thank you.